Okay, we are here in the Veterans App, and what we are going to do today is show you how to submit an event in the iOS version of the Veterans App. First thing we're going to do is tap on the Events tab at the bottom of the screen, and then we're going to tap on the Submit Event button that you see in the upper right-hand corner. That's going to bring us to this page here. First thing that you're going to see is the title. We're going to submit a title for this event. We'll say DAV meeting, just as an example. Then the next thing we're going to put in is the description of the event. We're just going to write test for this purposes. But what you're going to put there is a little bit about the event, what anybody might need to bring, or any information they might need to know about specifically. We want to try to keep this section professional, free of too many spelling errors or anything, to try to keep up appearances on the app. The next thing that we're going to do is the date. So the date in there right now is today's date, and so if you want to change that, you got to tap on the date. This box will show up. You pick the day that the event is going to be, and then tap somewhere else on the screen. Same thing with the time. The times currently are the time on your device, so you're going to want to change the start time of the event to whatever it may be. We'll say 4 p.m. and then tap somewhere else. And then also tap on the end time. We'll make that 5 p.m. Tap somewhere else on the screen. And then what you're going to do is you're going to pick an address, assuming that you do have a street address for the event. We don't have a real one right now, so we're just going to put a fake address in here. Now, it's going to be important that you get this correct if you do have one, because then a map ping will actually show up when people look at your event on the app. Okay, and after you have that address in, there's going to be a few tags that you can pick from. So this is going to be a meeting because it's called DAV meeting, but if you need to, you can submit it as multiple different kinds or whatever you need it to be. The last three buttons at the bottom, the first one is camera. We'll switch to your device camera, which will let you take a picture and add it to your event. The second one will take a photo from your library of photos on your device, and you can pick one to submit. And this third button will open up the documents that you have saved on your device, so you can pick one of those and submit it as part of your event. Now, after you have all of that done, you'll just click this submit button at the bottom of the screen, and that will take you back to the event page. When you submit an event, it's going to be looked over by an admin of the app, so it could take a little bit, and then those people are going to either reject or approve your event. You should be notified based on what happens. And that will conclude us trying to teach the submitting an event on iOS version of the Veterans application.